I'm sorry for not posting in forever. I've just been very busy with my life. I just forgot this thing existed. And I've been very busy, as I stated before. How do I set this camera up? The only reason you're looking at my counter, I have a pop socket and I don't know how to really prop you up. So yeah, apologies about that. Yeah, sorry. And my apology, you get to make cereal with me. We only have Captain Crunch, sadly. Actually, we probably have some expired. What is it called? Lucky Charms, but... oh, I'm sorry. Nope. Cereal.